Oh my goodness, Daniel. Can you breathe in there? Can you breathe in there? Good morning. Here I am again in my pink sweatshirt. It's a different day. Oh my goodness. I still have a wicked bad sore throat. So I'm going to go to the store to get Daniel's medicine and pick up some other things because Sarah's coming home later tonight. We need more groceries. Then come home and rest. But Daniel's still not good. Not good at all. I have to clip coupons. Who has time for this? I have no time for this. I have to go to the store. Holy moly. I need to save money. The Sick Chronicles by Julie. Check in with Daniel. How we doing? Huh? You watching some Barney? He was smiling a minute ago. Huh? Got all his stuff up here, his balloons. That big circle one is really nice. You like your big balloons? Some medicine for you and treats for your sister, and he smells funky too.
Yeah, I'll give him a little bit back.
I don't know, when Dave gave him a shower too yesterday.
Oh, he gave him a shower.
And he still smelled afterwards, and I think it's just sick smell.
Yeah.
He has his I Like Warm Hugs t-shirt on. See this? So adorable. So awesome. Okay, sweetie. Mommy's going to CVS. Hi. Oh, I'm pitiful today. I'm so sick. Post office. And I got another pile of mail for you, Daniel. Look at all this. All right. More mail for Daniel. Now I'm heading to CVS, and then because I need to get his antibiotic. I'm all wrapped up in scarves. My throat is still hurting so bad. So, let's see. I'm all right. I just am sick. We will survive this. We are at the high school picking up Thomas and his 3 instruments that he's bringing home right now. All right, time for lessons. We are now not sure, but we think Dan might have whooping cough. So we're waiting for the doctor to call back again, but I might take him to the emergency room. He's not doing well. Poor guy. Well, yeah, I'm a little frazzled. We're waiting for the doctor from Connecticut Children's Medical Center to call back. Yesterday we called, and that was at 9:30 in the morning. Nurse took information, asked me all these questions, called back at 2:30, something like that, and said, oh, we think you should take him to the pediatrician. By that time, it was too late to get an appointment, so she said, take him, doctor thinks he needs to be seen by somebody, maybe at a clinic or whatever, I don't know. So we took him to the walk-in clinic. They took an x-ray, didn't see anything on it, but the doctor did say if it's whooping cough that it would be treated with antibiotics the same way pneumonia would be, so they gave us erythromycin or whatever, Zithromax. But it's gotten worse, and my nurse was researching whooping cough, and she was like, I think he has this. He has all the symptoms of it. And I'll say it's very, very contagious, BT dubs. So we called the pulmonology department again. The nurse gets on the phone. Well, the nurse calls back, asks all the same questions all over again, says, we'll have the doctor call you back. And it's been, I don't know, a while. We told them we suspect whooping cough, and they didn't seem that mattered too much. They just asked us questions like, how's his appetite? And this is a G-tube fed kid. So, I don't get like this very often. Like, I'm very, very agitated because I know I'm probably going to be taking him into the hospital tonight. And I know it's going to be way later than it should be because I've been waiting for the doctor to call. Ordered some pizza, and I'm waiting for that to come. John is on his way to Staten Island to pick Sarah up. So he left work at 3, and that'll probably take him, he probably won't be home till 10 or 11. If he hits traffic, it could be like 12. So I'm not really sure. I think there's a lot of traffic because it's getting close to the holiday. But speaking of holidays, we're not having a holiday. Yeah, this will be for our Thanksgiving album. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, Daniel. Can you breathe in there? Can you breathe in there? Okay, so I was told I have to wear a mask because we're on precaution. Do I look sexy? Daniel can't because he keeps filling his with drool. So we're just going to wait for the doctor. They're going to test him for whooping cough. And look, we got Finding Nemo. And we got right in. No wait. Yeah, look at that. The doctor ordered tests. A whole series of tests. They're going to do blood work, give him an IV, take x-rays, swab him for whooping cough. Sorry that's beeping so much. I don't know how to silence it. His pulse ox is low, so they're going to give him some oxygen. He's really whooped. Pardon the pun, but look at him. He's just exhausted. So exhausted. His head doesn't look comfortable there. Alright. Let's fix this. Gotcha. You okay? Happy Thanksgiving.